I am coming up this fall will be 20 years that I've been with Liberty Tax. Locations are actually here in Fredericksburg, Virginia, but I grew up in upstate New York. I recognized very quickly that people relied on me for their income and clients relied on me for expertise. And it also helps me to organize my time. I do not work from home. I do not want to work from home. When I'm home and I'm just mom, and that's all that I am. I don't even really field phone calls. And when I'm at the office, then I'm, the tax lady is what everybody knows as that's the line that I've been walking really for the last 20 years doing this is am I succeeding on both sides of that? Just that I care through numbers, and I didn't realize that people maybe aren't as financially literate or as savvy with the tax code. And I think probably one of the most enlightening moments for me was I tend to jump into things without really knowing long term exactly what I'm getting myself into. But once you're in, failure is not an option. Like that's just not an option. And I remember very early on sitting at a training and I was just lost. I honestly had no idea what they were talking about. And I decided when I walked out of there that I probably was not the smartest person in that room, but I was pretty sure that I was not on the lower end of intelligence in that room. And if all those other franchisees figured it out and had processes in place and successful offices, I didn't feel less accomplished that day. It just gave me the passion to say, I have to figure this out. And so if you can get rid of the fear and get rid of the self doubt, and surround yourself with people that are going to help mentor you. The NAC is the National Advisory Council for Liberty Tax, and it's super important to pay attention, to reach out to those. We have the voice, we have a direct link to the corporate office. I think that by sharing information and working together, it makes all of our offices better. And the reception from the corporate office has been heartwarming. It's not a we're not going to talk about that or this is the way that we're going to do it and you have no say in that. We have been listened to. It's nice to be a part of the solution. I always say it's not all corporate's job to make this company great. It's not all franchisees' job to make this company great. It's only going to be great when you can get the two of them working. And with all of the improvements, I'm just so excited that the future opportunity for a Liberty Tax franchise is honestly, it's amazing. We have so many new tools, we have so many new opportunities, we have so much great marketing going on. And if there is a good suggestion out there, you have a group of people at a corporate office that want all of that information and they actually do something with it. It's not filed away in some filing cabinet. It's actually put into how do we make this work? How do we make this better? It's super exciting to me.